Exercise 9.3, question number 12. Read the question. Question says A and B together can do a work in 10 days. So what will be their 1 day work? So A plus B's 1 day work will be 1 upon 10. Same way B and C together can do a work in 15 days. So B plus C's 1 day work will be 1 upon 15. And C and A working together can do work in 12 days. So C plus A's 1 day work will be 1 upon 12. So here we get 3 equations. We can mark them, equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to add these equations. How do we add the equations? We add left hand sides together on the left and right hand sides together on the right. So adding left hand sides together, we get A plus B plus B plus C plus A, their 1 day work equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 upon 12. If we take LCM and simplify, we get this as 1 upon 4. Now look at the left hand side. A plus A becomes 2A, B plus B becomes 2B, and C plus C becomes 2C. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C, their 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 4. Now here 2 can be taken common. So 2 is taken common outside the bracket. So twice A plus B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 4. And therefore A plus B plus C's 1 day work, when we shift this 2 to the other side, it will divide. So it is 1 upon 4 divided by 2, that is 1 upon 8. So that means A plus B plus C's 1 day work has come 1 upon 8. So now this 1 upon 8 work is done by A, B and C in 1 day. So one work, that is complete work, will be done by A, B and C in 1 upon 1 upon 8, that is 1 upon 1 upon 8 is 1 into 8 upon 1, that is 8 days. So time taken to complete the whole work by A, B and C together is 8 days. That is the first answer. Now question is also asking you to find how much time they take to complete the work individually. That means A, B and C individually how much time they take to complete the whole work. Now for this we can mark this equation where we found A plus B plus C's 1 day work equal to 1 upon 8 as equation number 4. So now we got 4 equations, equation 1, 2, 3 which we marked earlier, and now we are marking equation 4 also. Now from equation 4, that is this equation, we are going to subtract these equations one by one. So first from equation 4 we are going to subtract equation 1. So the rule is same as I have explained above. How to add the equations? We add left hand sides together and right hand sides together. In subtraction also we subtract left hand side from the left hand side and right hand side from the right hand side. A plus B plus C is on the left side here, and A plus B on the left hand side here. We subtract, and here it is 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. So we simplify this, we get 1 upon 40. Now look at the left side. A minus A becomes 0, so A and A cancel out. B minus B also becomes 0. So on the left only C is left out. The C is 1 day work because we are subtracting 1 day work, their 1 day work. So C's 1 day work has come 1 upon 40. So this is C's 1 day work. So 1 by 40 work is done by C in 1 day. So therefore complete work, 1 work will be done by C in 1 whole number upon 1 by 40. So 1 into 40 by 1, that is 40 days. Now from equation 4 we subtract the next equation, that is equation number 2. So A plus B plus C minus B plus C on the left side and 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 15 on the right side. So A plus B plus C minus B plus C equal to 1 upon 8 minus 1 by 15. We take LCM and simplify, we get 7 upon 120. Now here B and C cancel out, only A is left. So A's 1 day work is 7 upon 120. So I am writing this statement directly. 7 upon 120 work is done by A in 1 day. So therefore 1 work will be done by A in 1 upon 7 by 120. That is 1 into 120 by 7. We convert this into mixed fraction. So we get 17 whole number 1 upon 7 days. Now we subtract equation 3 from equation 4. 4 minus 3 gives you, on the left we get A plus B plus C minus, the third equation has C plus A on the left side. The minus C plus A equal to 1 upon 8 minus 1 by 12. So we get this on simplification, we get this as 1 upon 24. So 1 upon 24 work is done by B in 1 day. Here A cancels with A and C cancels with C. So only B is left on the left hand side. So therefore it is B's 1 day work that has come 1 by 24. So that is why we are writing 1 upon 24 work is done by B in 1 day. So therefore 1 work will be done by B in how many days? So 1 upon 1 by 24. So that comes 1 into 24 upon 1, that is 24 days. So we have taken the common problems of the chapter today. Now you can revise the whole chapter again, and if you have any doubts left, you can post your problems or queries to us. Thank you.